Hi, chemistry students. My name is Lauren, and I'm a librarian at the college. I'm here to talk about the importance of reliably recording your data in an experiment, what other people's experiments look like when they're published, what this means in a larger context. Falsifying data or results can eliminate a scientist's voice and impact their career. On the other hand, reliably recording your methods and results can have an incredibly positive impact on the larger scientific community. When I'm looking to get an overall impression of recent academic conversations in a certain field, I will often look at the publications coming from academic journals. Authors in these journals are often professors who teach that topic. The reason for this is because many universities and colleges require their faculty to publish on a regular basis. These articles are checked by several other experts in the same field, and the journal doesn't publish it unless those experts say it's okay. We call this process the peer review process because those experts are peers or academic equals to the author that's being evaluated. To find journals in a specific field, I go to Research Then databases on the library website, and then I choose Journal Search here, and I can either click around in those categories on the side or put a word here in the middle. We're searching the journals' names right now. So think of these journals similar to magazines. If I put people in the box, I would get people, people in Espanol, teen people. It wouldn't make sense to type interview with Lady Gaga on the box because it's only searching the names of the publication here, not the articles itself. This journal seems to have a trend of alternative medicine, as I see an article about ginseng, metabolites, and tea infusions, and the one I chose here measures improvement of lesions being treated with narinogen taken from vegetable and fruit juices. I'm viewing this article on PubMed Central. Although you can view this article in a lot of different ways. The interface will give you different academic databases that all have the article in it. But I'm viewing this on PubMed Central, and one thing that you want to look for is this DOI number. If it's not clickable, you can always grab the DOI and put it in your URL box. But I'm just going to go ahead and click it, and the DOI should always take you to the publisher's website where you'll find out what journal it's from, and then you can even look at the requirements for this journal. There are often different levels of peer reviews. Secondly, I also have the option here of looking at my individual authors. Each one of them should have associations, which means it will tell you, this little one next to it means that this is the association for this author, and it should tell you where they worked or what academic institution they're associated with. It's also good to just look up your author and see what you can find on the general internet. I like to check their Twitter if they have it, where they have a more casual platform for sharing their thoughts. If you end up in the Google Scholar interface, I really like how they sort the articles of the author by how many other people have cited it. The reason why this is important is because it's become recognized in that field. This author, for example, has been cited by 28 people, and you can click on the cited by and then look at those articles. In sum, we've covered accurate data and why it's important in the sciences, what experiments look like when they're published and how to find them through peer-reviewed journals, and what the larger context means, how to find an author's Twitter profile and find out what they're tweeting online. If you need any help looking for articles, determining the accuracy of an article, or citing your research, you can get in touch with the library through our website, library.shoreline.edu, where you can chat with a librarian 24/7. You can make a Zoom appointment with any of the librarians at Shoreline, or you can email us directly at library.shoreline.edu. You can email me directly at lbryant@shoreline.edu. Thank you for watching.